being able to go ahead and schedule your live streams ahead of time is a game changer, and you can do just that inside of Evmux. You can schedule your YouTube streams, your Facebook streams, your LinkedIn streams. You can go ahead and get them all set up ahead of time, get thumbnails out there, titles, so people can start seeing those live streams that are upcoming, allowing you to build up some hype and do some promotion for them. So let's go ahead and dive into my Evmux account so I can show you just how easy it is to go ahead and get this all set up. So once you're inside of your live stream editor for the session that you're going to want to go ahead and live stream and schedule, we can go ahead and utilize that here. So what you want to do here at the top right hand side where it says broadcast channels, this is where you're going to want to select your destinations where you're going to want to schedule that live stream. So you can go ahead and add a new destination. You can select Facebook page, group, profile, LinkedIn, YouTube, and then when you select the destinations, just follow the on-screen prompts to get it all set up and connected. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel because I have some destinations already preset here. So I'm going to go ahead and just utilize my YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and toggle it on, and then I'm going to press this little drop down menu that's going to allow me to be able to go ahead and begin to set up the title and the description for that video. Then here at the bottom, you're going to have the option for privacy. Now it's very important. There's three different options: public, unlisted, and private. When you do public, that's going to mean that when you schedule this, everyone's going to be able to see it, be able to hit reminder, and be able to see what's coming up. When you do unlisted, only the people who have access to the link are going to be able to see it, and private means you're going to be the only one to know that that's available. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to have it unlisted. And then you see the option here that we're looking for, which is schedule for later. So once you toggle that on, you're going to get access to now be able to upload a thumbnail ahead of time and be able to schedule the time. So I'm going to select a thumbnail, and I'm just going to go ahead and come here and select the town hall that we use for the thumbnail. And then you're going to see the option here. It's going to say rotate, close. You can resize this, make this where you want. And then once you like the thumbnail and the sizing, you simply select crop, and that's going to go ahead and automatically save it here for you. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to go ahead and schedule. You're going to select your time zone. You're going to select the date, and you're going to select the time. For this example, I'm just going to select the time in the future. And then you can go ahead and select Facebook, select your Facebook group, select LinkedIn and all these channels, and be able to go ahead and have them all go live at the same time based on the scheduled time that you have here at the bottom. Then once you finish that up, you simply select save and publish. And what this is going to do is that it's going to go ahead and push over that live stream scheduled content to those platforms you selected, letting people know that you'll be going live. Once you do that, here at the top right, you're going to see an option that says now scheduled to September 7th at 4:29 p.m. Eastern time is when this live stream is going to go live. Now, one thing you do need to keep in mind is that once it hits 4:29, that's not going to automatically push your stream live. Once you're inside the editor, you still need to go ahead and select go live to automatically push that out to the platforms. The scheduling is just to give people the information, letting them know that it's available and doing all the prepping ahead of time. But once you're ready to go live, you simply press go live at that scheduled time. Then you're going to see here that when you select edit, you drop down this menu, you're going to see here it's going to say link to scheduled posts. So once you click this, this is going to bring you over directly to the post that you just went ahead and scheduled. So you can see here that I have the title, that you see the thumbnail, and it's going to say live in 117 minutes. Now this is what people are going to see if you set it for public. They'll be able to go ahead and start chatting in the chat. They'll be able to go ahead and start seeing the thumbnail and seeing what it is you're talking about. They'll start being able to see your description. So just like that, you can see that having the ability to be able to schedule your live streams ahead of time is a great way for you not only to save time on the day that you go live, but also give you time to be able to promote that live stream to get as many people to come and find you. Now, if you want to learn how to go ahead and utilize Evmux's additional features and pro scenes like auto switch, stinger transitions, go ahead and click this video right here. I think you're really going to love the auto switch feature that allows you to be able to switch from scene to scene automatically without you having to push a button. Click that video right there to learn how to get that all set up. I'll see you guys soon.